nature, what is the intensity of light? Yes, Abhilasha. Now it comes. Please side. Still facing the same issue. Okay. Yes, in particle nature of light. Abhilasha, you will also know. Don't tell. Okay. Ankita, can you tell? In particle picture of light, what intensity means? Intensity means energy. No, not at all. Anupama, can you tell me? Aditya Pratap Singh, can you tell me? In particle nature, what intensity means? Aditya Pratap Singh. Yes, tell me. Energy per unit area per unit time, it is a general definition of intensity. I am asking in particle picture how that intensity is determined. Nikki Rai, can you tell me? Nikki? Yes, intensity of light. No. That is the number of photons striking the surface per second. That I want to hear. That I want to hear actually. Number of photons striking the surface per second. It is the intensity. Okay. And what you were telling Aditya, n multiply by something something. That was the mathematical formula. Okay. Prashant, you tell me one thing. Prashant, are you there? Prashant, can you explain threshold frequency? Why threshold frequency cannot be explained with the wave theory? Existence of threshold frequency. What is the problem? Existence of threshold frequency cannot be explained by the wave theory. Why is it so? Acha, anyone can speak. Yes, it is the property of metal, but we cannot explain its existence with the help of wave theory. Why is it? Why it even exists in the wave theory? You are telling me the definition, Aditya. I'm not asking that. Yes, it proportional to what? It proportional to intensity. Good. In particle, in wave theory, we assume that energy depends upon intensity. Intensity depends upon amplitude. Okay? Intensity depends upon amplitude, and that's why existence of threshold frequency cannot be explained. Now tell me kinetic maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons, how it is equal to EV naught. Maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons can be given by the formula EV naught. E is charge on the electron, V naught is stopping potential. Why is it so? Can you tell me what is stopping potential? First of all, let us take an easier question. What is stopping potential? Good. And why is it equal to EV naught? Are you agree with Aditya? Yes, Aditya, I'm listening to you. Tell me. Your voice is very low, Aditya. I cannot hear you. Just be very close to the mobile. One statement Aditya Pratap Singh has made wrong. He told that EV naught acts opposite to the kinetic energy of the electron. This statement is wrong actually. Who will correct it? EV naught acts opposite to the kinetic energy of electron. This statement made by the Aditya Pratap Singh is wrong. Why is it so? And please make it correct. Anyone? Pragati, you're not saying anything. Just listening. Looking at the screen. Reshma, can you tell me? Wait. Reshma. Reshma? Reshma, can you hear me? Okay, now tell me, Aditya. Anurag, the question is Aditya Pratap Singh has made a statement that EV naught acts opposite to the kinetic energy of electron. Okay? So, why this statement is not correct? And please make it correct. Aditya, your voice is very low, beta. I'm not able to hear. Very low voice. You can type, Aditya. I am reading this question. Flux or number of particles per second. Anurag Tiwari, you were right on this question. Good. Flux. Sonam to everyone. Flux is square of amplitude of wave. It is in the Abhilasha. Abhilasha, you were wrong. I have to read the message also. Okay, let me tell you. Let me tell you what why this statement is wrong. I think EV naught is work done. Yes, you are correct. Yes, you are correct. EV naught is the work done. So EV naught cannot act. EV naught is not a force. Sir, if the work function is zero, it is not possible, bacha. Work function cannot be zero. Work function cannot be zero. It can be very less, but it will not be zero. Okay, it is not possible. Okay, let me tell what Aditya has made a wrong, why that was a wrong statement. Actually, EV not the energy, it is not the force. So we cannot say that EV not acts opposite to the kinetic energy. What we can say, EV not we give the energy to the electron which is in negative, okay, and the kinetic energy the electron is having which is positive. When we add both of them, the energy of electron becomes zero, and that's why electron do not move from one plate to the another plate. Have you got that? Should I speak slow? Have you got that? Aditya Pratap Singh, have you got that statement now? EV naught is not a force, so we cannot say that EV naught acts. Okay? Anurag Tiwari is equal to slow. Okay. I have told that EV naught is actually the negative energy we are providing to the electron. And the kinetic energy which has been given to the electron from the radiation is positive. Kinetic energy of electron is positive and we are giving the energy in negative. When we add both of the energy, when it is equal to each other, then the answer is zero. So energy of electrons becomes zero, and that's why they do not move from one plate to the another plate. That's why the current becomes zero. Have you got that now? Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, that is all for the day. Thank you, everyone.